Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Passport, and today I'm going to explore Endless OS. At first you want to go endlessos.com for download ISO. I'm already downloaded, so you can see here download the installer and download ISO file, download launch install. So you can see here exe or I am install ISO. So OS found free download and go in this OS and try install on your computer. Then choose your image. Here is suggest various kinds of OS types and ISO. And then you can select which one you want. If you want to run virtual machine, then you can select virtual system, Raspberry Pi, Windows, DOS, Libra computers. It's a lot of options. You can choose your desired ISO, and I am using just PC installation option, so I'm download normal ISO image, and I am going to port it with virtual environment with Proxmox. So let's see how to do it. At first we are going to create virtual machine, name EOS endless OS, and then I'm going to select the ISO file whichever I am downloading, EOS 3.2, okay, Linux and 5.x kernel, okay. In default, all everything is default, and I'm going to clear 100 disks, 100 GB disk space, and the core I am select 2 core, and memory and select 6 GB memory. You can select minimum 2 GB RAM, 2 GB memory, but I have 8 GB memory, so I am select 6 GB memory for showing faster. Okay, then start create and finish. Wait and see what's going on. Yours is machine, virtual machine is starting. I'm going to click console, and when I'm click the console, it's boot up. Scale, local scaling, booting from CDDPT. Okay, you can see here in this OS first screen on and started booting. It takes some time, maybe or maybe not. So is a fast screen flashing, and you can see here the language section English, and then click here a default English in state. Then try is running from the USB stick or reformat. I'm going to reformat to full installation procedure reformat, and it's NSOS basic and 3 GB space. So I'm select 3 GB existing version 3 GB OS. Next, select I agree. Next. Now here is time to wait for installation. The full OS complete. So we are waiting to down the installation complete. Viewers, all setups are complete. You can see here the window installation, fast installation window. Then we are going to select language. Okay, language selection done. Then we are clicking accept. Then here you can select your location. I am in Bangladesh, so type in Bangladesh. Okay, next. Here you type your name. With my name. I don't set any password, so leave it blank. If you want set password, then select password. I leave it blank. Okay, next. All set done. And wait few seconds or minute, depend on your computer configuration. Viewers, you can see the fast welcome screen here. It seems like Android OS, but it's Linux. Here is App Center. You can install app from here. Almost every Linux app is here. You can see here all necessary apps here. At first I am going to set up my internet connection wired settings. If you have a wireless module, then you can just on and scan your Wi-Fi connection and then you can connect it. But I have physical connectivity, so I am select manual. Then here is IP address 10.10.30.60. netmax 255.255.255.0 and gateway 19 or 10.10.30.1, and here is DNS 8.8.8.8. I am using Google DNS and apply. Okay, now just off and on. Okay, now my connection is complete. Bluetooth connection, I don't have Bluetooth. Background, if you want to change your background, then you can select your background. You can now see the background. The background is changed. Then there is notification. If you want to change your custom notification, then you can here just change your custom notification. Search applications, install default applications. Here you can browse. It looks like Android, but it's completely Linux. Okay, then here you can see all necessary settings are here. You can see that date and time, automatic. If I set automatic, okay. Default applications, video, web, okay, user, and select my user, accessibility, reason and language, color, neural device, and others. Everything is same as it is. You use your Linux. Here starting update for Google Chrome and other apps are starting update, and all apps are here. You can see here Chromium browser here, and open bit of slow. I'm using 6 GB RAM, but it's a bit of slow. Maybe I'm using virtual environment, that's why it's slow. And then system terminal window. Then see the terminal window is terminal, system monitor, a lot of essential and apps here. Start Chromium Windows. You can see here YouTube, Just I am searching YouTube and YouTube is coming. Okay, then I select TSH tech passport. Then select my channel text passport. Then here is my channel text passport, and you can see YouTube text passport my channel here. I think I am using virtual environment, that's why my browser is slow. Okay, let's close. Here is the system on the window, and slide check systems. Like a lot of apps. Here is some settings. It's a minimize all everything, and here is the name, the notification area, volume, and show all apps. Show all apps, and it is all essential models there. Okay. Here is bladders, bootavel. Okay. Closing. Okay, that's all. If you want to install and test it or use it, then just download from OS website. You can see here Facebook and WhatsApp, YouTube individual app. There's on web WhatsApp. If I close YouTube, then it's going to youtube.com. Okay, right, and app store. Let's see app store. So a lot of apps here. Okay, thank you very much for viewing my channel and this video. Okay, thanks a lot.